It's been more than a month since some of the youngest kids in our state could start getting the COVID-19 vaccine. But the pace of people getting those first shots is significantly slower than a year ago. So where does Maine stand in its vaccine uptake? First, our county by county map has not changed in a month. Why? It's because of these thresholds over here. They're in increments of 10%. Now, when you think about 10% of a county's population, that's literally thousands of people. And at this point, it's a slow trickle of people getting their second shots of Pfizer or Moderna's vaccine. So those numbers are increasing slowly. So where do we stand? Cumberland County has the highest population in the state, more than 295,000 people. 85% of people in Cumberland County have their first series of shots. York County has the second highest population. It stands at about 73%. Now, Somerset County doesn't have the smallest population in the state, but it does have the lowest percentage of people vaccinated, about 61%. Another important thing to know about these youngest kids, the uptake of vaccines is moving at a slow pace. There are nearly 64,000 kids between the ages of 6 months to 4 years in our state. About 6.5% of them have started this vaccine process. So why is it going so slow? The Maine CDC says this is actually what it expected. That's because kids are getting their shots at the pediatrician's office and not as much at a mass vaccination site like many of us did in the earlier days of the rollout. A Maine CDC spokesperson told me they expect this group of youngest kids to be more incremental and deliberate and will likely increase at a slower pace than other age groups.